Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So what I want to show you guys today is how I put together my little quilted pillow with a zipper. So the other day I showed you guys how to do this wonky square, and I'll make sure to put that down on the end screen here. So at the end of this video, you can come check out how to make this. And I asked you guys the other day if you'd be interested in seeing me make a pillow with it. So this is what we're going to do today. Okay, so what I have is just a zipper. I have a quilted top, and I ironed on some fleece here, just some heat and bond fleece. And I show you in a detailed video on how to iron it onto your fabric, so I'll make sure to put that on the end screen too for you guys. All right, so we got that. And I did some heat and bond on it, and then I did the same thing to the back of the pillow here. So find the top of your pillow, and then the top of the back that you want. And we'll do right sides together. And then you can pin it if you want to. And we're going to go ahead, this is the top part, so we're going to do the longest stitch on your sewing machine. Put it over to the longest stitch, and that's a basting stitch. And we're going to do a 1/2 inch seam allowance and sew the top of it. And I'm not sure if I said at the beginning, but these are 12 by 12 inch blocks is what I made them into. So just wanted to make sure I told you guys that. Just want to let you guys know I have a walking foot in my sewing machine when I did this part, just to get through all the layers, because we have 4 layers, so it helps it pull it through evenly. Okay, and then open it up like this, and I'm going to take it over and iron it with the seams open, just like that. So I'm going to open it up and then give it a press. So I got it all pressed, and then add your zipper face down on top, right in the middle, and pin it. And then we're going to sew it down about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch from the zipper. So I want to show you guys, I'm lining up my little lead foot here. I put it in the back, there's a hole to put it in the back, and then line it up, and then you can measure it from the needle to the actual little lead here. And I put it on the stitch that I did previous, and then I just stitch right along. So as I'm stitching, I just look at this and make sure it's lined up all the way. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think this turned out really good. I just went ahead and just did a quilt line all the way down to little quilting on it. And you could have done this before we attached it to the cover, the front like this, but I forgot. So I went ahead and did it like this, and it actually turned out pretty good. It wasn't that hard. You just keep going back and forth, back and forth. I'm just getting all these little loose threads real quick. And the next step that we're doing is we are going to stitch rip. Okay, so all the basting stitches that we put in right here on the zipper, we're going to take them and just follow along and pop them out. Just like that, just expose the zipper. So that's why we did a really, longer stitch, and it's really easy. Just pop it right through, get it stitch ripped, and then there you go. You have your zipper coming through right here. Okay, and then the next step is let's go ahead and get our zipper open, just like that, about that much. And I'm going to get all these little threads undone and get those off of there. Okay, so make sure it's unzipped. Put the right sides together. Pin it around. And then go ahead and sew at a 1/2 inch seam allowance. And I'm going to just go ahead and use my little arm here and just take my measurement and just do it about a 1/2 inch. And then when you get to the corner, make sure your needle is down, and then you can turn it and then continue stitching. Now just flip the pillow. Wait, I got more threads here. So flip the pillow, right side out. This is why we kept it unzipped, so just make sure to do that part for sure, is unzip it. Because if you don't, you'll have to undo it, unstitch rip it, and then unzip it, and then do it all over again. Trust me, I've been there. Okay, but it is doable. And then poke out the corners. I'm just using a chopstick. So it is all finished. We got ourselves a zipper up top, which is really nice. So you could take this and clean it when necessary. So started off with a 12 by 12 inch, and now it is approximately 11 by 11. So if you want to, when you get your pillow insert, just go ahead and get it like 12 to 13 inch insert, because if you wanted a little this to look fluffier, if you get something that insert to 1 to 2 inches bigger, it just makes it look fuller. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.